Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have got a treat for all of you interior design enthusiasts out there. We are diving into the world of modern English bedroom ideas that will transform your space into a cozy and stylish retreat. So if you are looking to revamp your bedroom, stay tuned for some incredible inspirations. Before we jump right into the ideas, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home design tips and inspirations. Our first idea is all about embracing the timeless charm of neutrals. A palette of soft grays, creams, and whites creates an elegant and serene atmosphere in your modern English bedroom. Think about incorporating plush bedding, textured curtains, and cozy area rugs for that extra touch of comfort. For a touch of quintessential English charm, introduce floral accents into your bedroom. Floral printed wallpapers, cushions, or even headboards can instantly infuse your space with a refreshing and inviting vibe. To truly capture the essence of modern English design, consider vintage inspired furniture pieces, antique dressers, ornate mirrors, and upholstered chairs add character and a sense of history to your bedroom. Every English bedroom needs a cozy reading nook, a plush armchair, a well stocked bookshelf, and soft lighting create the perfect spot to escape into your favorite novel or unwind after a long day. Paneled walls are hallmarks of English design. Whether you opt for classic wood paneling or a modern interpretation with paint, this design element adds depth and sophistication to your bedroom. Don't forget about lighting. A statement chandelier or a pair of elegant bedside lamps can not only illuminate your space but also serves as stunning focal point. Layering texture is key into achieving that cozy English bedroom feel. Mix and match textures like knits, silks, and lilies to create a sumptuous and inviting bed. Bringing the outdoors in is another essential aspect of modern English bedroom. Houseplants, floral arrangements, or even nature inspired wall art can infuse your bedroom with vitality. Consider adding some timeless artwork to your bedroom. Paintings, prints, or even sculptures can add a touch of sophistication and personal style to your space. Lastly, don't forget to choose coordinated color schemes. Mixing and matching colors that complement each other can tie all elements, creating a harmonious and inviting modern English bedroom. And there you have it, 10 stunning modern English bedroom ideas that will help you to transform your space into a heaven of comfort and style. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends who might be looking for some bedroom inspiration. Thanks for joining us.